Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm going to do a battle between Rock Giraffe, a defense type, and Thermal Pisces, stamina type. And my brother's doing it with me. Okay, so let's do this. Get this battle started. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. How's the battle?
How's the battle go?
Who's gonna win? Ooh. No. Oh, looks like Giraffe is dominating Pisces over there. Okay, Giraffe takes the first round. Then. Okay. Here comes the second round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, Pisces is out. So Giraffe won. Okay, the second round. Now here comes the last round. Giraffe. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, it seems to be a tie.
Great battle, bro.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, and Giraffe won. You can get Giraffe pretty much at Toys R Us. It's a wide ball. It's pretty awesome. Bye.